Good morning. My name is Engineer Piyush Pandey. Welcome to today's session of Motivational Skills. And the topic for today's discussion is we should watch our own character before criticizing any industry. We should watch our own character before criticizing any industry. Ladies and gentlemen, there are different types of industries in this world, manufacturing different types of products, involved in different types of businesses. Now, depending upon our qualification, we get jobs in these industries. Now, in society, there is a huge misconception regarding certain industries. They think that particular set of industries, they are good industries, and then there are other sets of industries that are bad industries. For example, if you are working in an IT organization, you will be considered as a reputed person. If you are working in a manufacturing unit, you will be considered as a reputed person. By whom? I am talking about people of our own society. The society where we live. The society where we live. I am talking about those people, the society where we live. In the eyes of those people, you will be considered as a reputed person if you are working in some IT industry, if you are working in some manufacturing industry, if you are working in some retail industry, some pharmacy industry. If you are doing such kind of things, of course, you will be considered as a reputed professional. But think for a while, if you are working in a liquor manufacturing company, if you are working in some alcohol manufacturing company, if you are working in some gutka manufacturing company, some pan masala manufacturing company, in that case, as compared to IT organizations, people are not going to respect you much. People are not going to respect you much. And what type of feeling they have in their mind regarding people who are working in these industries? Okay, this person is working in an alcohol manufacturing unit. Definitely, he takes alcohol. If this particular person is working in a cigarette manufacturing company or a BD manufacturing company, he is a chain smoker. Definitely he is a chain smoker. Otherwise, he would have opted some other industry for himself. Why he is working only in gutka manufacturing company, in cigarette manufacturing company, in alcohol manufacturing company? There are so many other industries in the world. Leaving all those industries, this particular individual is inclined towards gutka manufacturing companies and cigarette manufacturing companies. Definitely, he drinks, he smokes, he eats gutka. So this is the feeling in the mind of people regarding those professionals who are working in such types of industries. And if suppose even in your nearby surroundings, in your own friend circle, in your own family, among your own relatives, if you are working in some IT organizations, some manufacturing organizations, some electrical and electronic industries, definitely you will be considered as an honorable professional. But opposite to this, if you start working in some BD manufacturing company, some cigarette manufacturing company, some alcohol manufacturing company, your reputation will go down in the eyes of people. Now, this is absolutely baseless way of thinking, ladies and gentlemen. This way of thinking is absolutely baseless. Whatever things are getting manufactured in this world, whatever things are getting consumed by people in this world, there is definitely a manufacturing unit for that. If there is no manufacturing unit for that, tell me how you are getting that product in market. How you are getting that product in market if there is no manufacturing unit related to that product. And yes, if there is a manufacturing unit related to that product, definitely someone must be working over there. They also require professionals to enhance their production, to run their industries. And ladies and gentlemen, all these things, they come under manufacturing process. They come under manufacturing process. Either you are manufacturing liquor, either you are manufacturing cigarette, you are manufacturing BD, you are manufacturing pan masala, gutka. It is a part of manufacturing process. There is some raw material that goes inside a particular kind of machinery, and then that machinery converts that raw material into finished product, and then that finished product is packaged, and then by the method of logistics, it is distributed to different stores from where common people can get these products. This is how this whole process goes. So you are hating people who are working in these industries, but whenever you are free, whenever you are not doing anything, whenever you get 1 hour or half an hour break from your industry, what you do? You go to some cigarette shop and you start smoking. You go to some gutka shop and you start having gutka. And when you are overstressed by work, what do? You prefer alcohol. You go to some alcohol shop, you get a bottle of your choice, and then you celebrate at night. New Year's Eve, Christmas Eve, Diwali celebration, Holi celebration. In such kind of festivals, you definitely need something to drink, something to smoke, something to eat. Rave parties, so many such kind of things are happening. Every day, ladies and gentlemen. And then you also know that at which hill station or at which place you should go so that you can easily get such type of material and enjoy your life. So in your personal life, you are enjoying all these things. You are celebrating. You are lavishly spending your money on all these things. And when a qualified person is working in these industries in a production and manufacturing process, you are not respecting that person because he is not part of some IT industry, some retail industry. He is part of some gutka industry or some cigarette manufacturing industries. You are having those products every day and then you don't bother about all these things. And when a qualified person is working in these industries, you say that he is not a reputed person. What kind of illogical thinking is this? Ladies and gentlemen, this is a very bad attitude and this is my own personal experience. I have seen people disrespecting those professionals who are working in these industries. Ladies and gentlemen, believe me, if these industries stop, your life will stop. Your life will stop. Because you have become so much habitual of utilizing these things that even if you don't get these things even for a single second, you cannot survive. And in such a situation, in such a condition, when you people are totally dependent on such kind of products, you are criticizing the professionals who are working in these industries. This is absolutely bad, absolutely illogical and unprofessional behavior. Ladies and gentlemen, please in your life, don't go by what people are saying. Please don't go what is happening in society. Please don't go what is happening around you. Always try to analyze things according to your knowledge, according to your caliber, according to your own common sense. Okay, we are the part of society, but we are not dependent on society. We are dependent on our own caliber, our own knowledge, our own personal life experiences. Working in a cigarette manufacturing company, working in a tobacco manufacturing company, gutka manufacturing company, alcohol manufacturing company, it is a production process going on over there. If a person is working in a liquor manufacturing company, he is not drinking all the time. If a person is working in a cigarette manufacturing company, he is not smoking all the time. Like rest of the other household products like soap, detergent powder, washing machine, these things are also getting manufactured in some industry. There is a streamlined process for that, assembly line process for that. Raw material gets inside the machinery and then machinery performs certain operations on raw material and then that raw material gets converted into finished product. Then after the finished product is made, it is distributed to logistic organizations and logistics organizations, they distribute that finished product everywhere in the country, everywhere in the world. This is a production and manufacturing process and there is no loss of reputation in working in these great organizations. These organizations are great. These organizations are good. These organizations can provide you a good professional knowledge related to whatever qualification you are having. So please keep this misconception out of your mind. something that we are utilizing, it is not bad in any way. If a person is not producing such kind of goods, you will never get such kind of goods in your life. You will keep searching for them and you will never get them in your entire life if there is no production of that particular good. So please save yourself from such kind of illogical thinking. Keep yourself away from people having such kind of illogical thinking, and always concentrate on professional aspect of everything that is happening around you. That's all for today, ladies and gentlemen. I hope that you loved my today's video. Please subscribe my channel, ER Piyush Pandey, Trainer BTech MBA, and please press the bell icon for constant updates. Thank you very much. Have a great day.